Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to all the new subscribers and first time viewers. We appreciate you greatly. Today's an interesting day. In Miami, today is part of the Miami International Boat Show. Being such, as we pull away from the dock at Bayside Marketplace in Miami, we're going to see vessels, small, medium, large, and supersized vessels that have boated to this area to participate, to purchase, to upgrade, and view the latest in water crafts and technology. As we continue to go through this waterway, we are going to see one super yacht that's valued at $280 million. One of the challenges on this video is the water taxi for ambiance plays music that is copyrighted by artists that YouTube cannot use. Therefore, there are times when I may have to mute that music or insert other music. But within all of that, the captain of the water taxi does narrate, and he points out famous homes that we are passing by. We will be passing by homes belonging to well-known actors, sports celebrities, entertainers, captains of industry, and people that are just very fortunate. As we went under the bridge, we looked to our right, we will see the Port of Miami. On other videos, I've talked about the Port of Miami being considered one of the largest cruise ship ports in the world. So we have a few world events here. Currently, today, there's 6 vessels docked at this port. There can be up to 9 vessels docked at this port at any one time. On the other side of that cruise port, we have the cargo port of Miami. I'm going to step out of the way, allow you to enjoy the video. Thanks for spending time. It's my pleasure to bring you this content. Feel free, again, if you haven't liked or subscribed, to do so, and feel free to share. I will follow up with you shortly. home of the movie star, actor Antonio Banderas.
With a swimming pool on the rooftop. The next time you visit Miami, you guys don't want to stay in a hotel, you can Airbnb any of these two houses for only $6,000 per night. How about that? That's a great deal. With the great boat belongs to the famous DJ Khaled. We're the best DJ Khaled. Queen of the salsa music from Cuba, Celia Cruz. And the next one, first story, white collar with a white dome on top, belongs to the Puerto Rican singer who loves living la vida loca, Ricky Martin. the rich and shameless. I mean famous. Where some of them are rich and not famous too. The least expensive mansion on this island, $60 million. The first mansion, right in front of the boat, $83 million. Belongs to Dr. Philip Frost. Dr. Frost, former CEO, ex-owner of IVAC Pharmaceuticals. This company makes genetic drugs. Among them, they made the genetic version of the blue pill, the magic pill, the vitamin for the man's second brain, Viagra. $83 million. By the way, Dr. Frost is 85 years old. His wife Patricia, 45, and she is very happy. Okay, the following mention, back in the 70s, it was owned by old blue-eyed singer Frank Sinatra. Today the property is for sale for $68 million. 10 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, 20,000 square feet home. Miller, who's the CEO of Lennar Home Builder, a nationwide residential construction company. Here with a silver yacht. This is the former home of the former basketball player Shaquille O'Neal, Shaq. Actor Sylvester Stallone, Rocky. And the next one, J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez. remodel of the house. And the next one, beautiful tropical paradise, home of the Cuban-American couple, Gloria and Emilio Estefan, Miami Sound Machine.
Thanks everyone for sticking to the end. This is another power pack video, and I'm going to recap. Not only have we seen some of the noteworthy sights of Miami, but the homes we saw were Antonio Banderas, Ricky Martin, former home of Frank Sinatra, DJ Khaled. I like to refer to this gentleman as Doctor of Education, Shaquille O'Neal, the basketball player, Gloria and Emilio Estefan, former home of Madonna, Jennifer Lopez, David Beckham. We saw the home that was used in the Bad Boys movie. We also saw the home that was used in Scarface movie. We also saw the home of Sylvester Stallone. Again, thanks for sticking to the end. Subscribe, share, like, comment. My thought is, why not? And I'll see you on the next video.